Hi, my name is Charlotte Mundy. I live in the Myrtle Grove area of Wilmington, North Carolina. I chose Cape Fear Solar Systems to install solar panels and a battery backup system on my passive solar home in Myrtle Grove, North Carolina. So some of the other features of my home that make it a passive solar is that the south-facing windows are nice and big and bright to let that low winter sun come in and heat the house, where there's also a large overhang on that side of the house, so it keeps out the bright, hot summer sun when it's a little bit further up in the sky. The house is very well insulated. It's very airtight, which is great because there's a big road outside, so I don't hear much of the road noise at all when all the windows are shut up. Being as self-sufficient as possible and contributing to the resiliency of the community has really been a priority of mine, and that was a great feeling of accomplishment when the solar panels went on. I really felt like I had achieved one of my lifetime goals. Recently, we lost power on our street, and I didn't even realize it until my electric tankless hot water heaters were kicking on because I was doing the dishes, and I was like, why are my lights browning out? And that's when I realized, oh, maybe they're drawing too much power because I'm on my battery backup system. I would recommend Cape Fear Solar Systems to somebody else just because they know what they're doing. They're very professional. They take the time to answer all those questions. And I get the sense that the people there truly care about the mission of solar in terms of kind of weaning us off fossil fuels and getting us to a more sustainable and resilient grid. I would recommend going solar in general because I feel like it is a way to help improve the resiliency of the community. The storms are getting worse lately. Hurricanes are inevitable in this part of the country, in this part of the state. And I feel like what I have done with installing solar on my house has been to help improve the resiliency of the entire community. People, my neighbors, know that they can come here and get AC when the rest of the street is without power. They can all, come and fill my chest freezer with things that they don't want to lose from their fridge. So I really feel like it's a way to help build community resiliency in a time when we need that.